One stolen wallet, one medical emergency, or even one power outage in an unfamiliar city. That's all it takes to turn a relaxing vacation into a stressful ordeal. You'd be surprised how many travelers leave home every day without the basic safety items that could protect them from theft, injury, or being stranded in a crisis. But don't worry, after this video, that won't be you. Because today, I'll show you the 5 essential safety items that every smart traveler carries, whether they're taking a weekend road trip or flying halfway around the world. These aren't expensive gadgets or complicated gear, they're simple, affordable items that can save your trip, protect your belongings, and even save your life when things go wrong. After years of travel experience and hearing countless stories from travelers who learned these lessons the hard way, I've narrowed it down to the 5 safety essentials you absolutely cannot skip. So grab a pen and let's make sure you're protected on your next journey, item by item. Number 1, portable door lock or travel security device. Hotel rooms, Airbnbs, and even hostels can feel safe during the day, but at night, that thin door lock is often the only thing between you and the outside world, and most standard hotel locks are surprisingly easy to bypass. A portable door lock or door jammer is a small, lightweight device that adds an extra layer of security to any door, giving you complete control over who can enter your room even if someone has a key. These devices wedge under the door or attach to the latch, making it physically impossible for anyone to open the door from the outside. They're especially valuable for solo travelers, women traveling alone, or anyone staying in budget accommodations where security might be less reliable.
The best part? They weigh less than a pound, fit easily in your carry-on, and cost between $10 and $30. Some models even come with built-in alarms that sound if someone tries to force the door open. Setting one up takes less than 10 seconds, and removing it is just as quick when you're ready to leave. For the small cost and minimal space, the peace of mind you gain is priceless. Number 2, RFID blocking wallet or pouch. Credit card theft doesn't always happen the old-fashioned way anymore. Thieves can now steal your card information without ever touching your wallet using wireless RFID scanners that read the chips in your cards from several feet away. It's happening every day in crowded airports, busy tourist areas, and packed subway cars, where criminals blend in and scan dozens of cards in minutes. An RFID blocking wallet or travel pouch disrupts these scanners, shielding your credit cards, debit cards, and passport from wireless theft. These wallets look just like regular wallets, but contain a thin metallic lining that blocks radio frequencies, making your cards completely invisible to scanners. You can find them in every style, from traditional bifolds to slim minimalist designs and crossbody travel pouches that hold your passport, phone, and cash together. Prices range from $15 to $50 depending on the brand and style, and many come with additional security features like hidden zipper pockets and slash-resistant straps. If you're traveling internationally or visiting crowded tourist destinations, an RFID blocking wallet is one of the smartest investments you can make. Number 3, portable phone charger or power bank. A dead phone isn't just inconvenient when you're traveling, it's genuinely dangerous. Your phone holds your boarding passes, hotel reservations, maps, translation apps, emergency contacts, and sometimes even your only way to call for help. Running out of battery in an unfamiliar city, at a crowded airport, or during an emergency can leave you stranded, lost, or unable to reach someone when you need them most. A portable phone charger or power bank ensures your phone stays alive no matter where you are or how long your day runs. Modern power banks are compact, lightweight, and powerful enough to fully charge your phone 2 to 4 times before needing a recharge themselves. Look for models with at least 10,000 mAh capacity. That's enough for multiple full charges and still fits easily in a pocket or purse. Many power banks now include multiple USB ports, so you can charge your phone and a companion's device simultaneously. Prices range from $20 to $50, and higher-end models include fast-charging technology. Charge your power bank fully before you leave home, and recharge it every night in your hotel so it's always ready. Number 4, personal safety alarm or whistle.
Sometimes the best defense isn't fighting back. It's making enough noise to scare off an attacker and alert everyone nearby that you need help. A personal safety alarm is a small battery-powered device that emits an ear-piercing 120 to 130 decibel siren when activated, loud enough to be heard from over 300 feet away.
That's louder than a car horn or even a jet engine at close range, and it's specifically designed to startle attackers, draw attention, and give you precious seconds to escape. These alarms are incredibly easy to use. Most activate with a simple pull of a pin or press of a button, and they continue sounding until you deactivate them. They're perfect for solo travelers, joggers exploring new cities, or anyone walking back to their hotel late at night. Most models are small enough to attach to a keychain, purse strap, or backpack zipper, and they cost between $8 and $20. If you prefer something even simpler, a loud emergency whistle works just as well and requires no batteries. 3 sharp blasts is the universal distress signal, recognized worldwide. Whether you choose an alarm or a whistle, keep it accessible at all times, not buried at the bottom of your bag. Number 5. Basic first aid and emergency kit. Accidents, injuries, and sudden illness don't take vacations, and when you're far from home, even a minor problem can become a major crisis if you're unprepared. A compact first aid and emergency kit gives you the tools to handle cuts, scrapes, blisters, headaches, and stomach issues before they ruin your day or force you to search for help in an unfamiliar place. Start with adhesive bandages in multiple sizes, antiseptic wipes, antibiotic ointment, and medical tape for treating minor wounds. Add over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen, anti-diarrhea medication, antihistamines for allergic reactions, and motion sickness tablets. Include a small pair of scissors, tweezers for splinters, and a digital thermometer to monitor fevers. Pack a few safety pins for repairing torn clothing or securing bandages. If you have prescription medications, keep a 1-week backup supply in your kit, along with a written list of your medications and dosages. Store everything in a waterproof, zippered pouch so you can find what you need quickly. A well-stocked kit weighs less than a pound and costs under $30 to assemble, but it can save you hours of stress and potentially serious complications. Extra travel safety tips. Always keep a photocopy of your passport, ID, and credit cards separate from the originals. If your wallet is stolen, you'll still have proof of identity. Download offline maps of your destination on your phone so you can navigate even without internet or data service. Share your itinerary and hotel details with a trusted friend or family member so someone always knows where you are. Carry a small amount of emergency cash in a hidden pocket separate from your main wallet. $50 to $100 can get you home if your cards are stolen. Learn basic phrases in the local language, especially help, police, and emergency. Communication can save your life. Keep your hotel's business card in your pocket so you can show it to taxi drivers if you get lost. Trust your instincts. If a situation, person, or place feels unsafe, leave immediately without worrying about being rude. Travel safety isn't about being paranoid or expecting the worst. It's about being prepared, so you can relax and enjoy every moment of your trip without worry. With these 5 essential safety items packed and ready, you're protected from the most common travel threats, from theft and emergencies to getting lost or stranded. From portable locks and RFID protection to power banks, safety alarms, and first aid supplies, you now have everything you need to travel with confidence and peace of mind. Share this video with someone planning a trip so they can stay safe too, and subscribe for more practical travel tips every week. Remember, the best adventures are the ones where you feel secure, prepared, and free to explore without fear. Safe travels, and enjoy every moment of your journey.